Friends, I want to show you how many shops are open and how many people are wearing masks. So as you can see, there is really a fear. There are many who are wearing masks, but there are still many who do not wear mask. Only chemist shop is open. Young guy, no mask. Today is Saturday and the shopping area in Delhi is closed. This is sector 9 Rohini. See, you can see a young lady wearing mask and helmet. It is Saturday, that is closed, but in Delhi, even see, you can see already wearing mask. This guy going on bike wearing mask. Young guy in bike wearing mask. On bike wearing mask. It's the same auntie. Chemist shop people are wearing mask all. Since chemist guy all are wearing mask. This Zomato guy is not wearing mask. He is without. He's simply wearing a muffler. With muffler. This is all a random study. See that guy walking in mask. In mask. Cycle wala on mask. Young guys in mask. Not mask. It's just a random study. See, boyfriend and girlfriend both wearing mask. Let's see. I'm moving toward my car. Okay. So battery rickshaw wala are wearing mask. Oh. Handkerchief mask. Pan wala shop going to smoke but wearing mask.